Your liver is an incredibly important organ that performs many essential functions in the body, including filtering toxins and waste products from the blood. However, certain factors such as a poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption and a sedentary lifestyle can put a strain on the liver and cause the accumulation of liver fat. When too much fat builds up in the liver, it can cause inflammation and damage to the liver cells. This can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and AFLD. In severe cases, NAFLD can lead to liver scarring, cirrhosis and liver failure, which can be life-threatening. In addition to causing liver damage, an AFLD is also associated with an increased risk of other health problems such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. In this video we'll be sharing 10 foods that can help support liver function and reduce liver fat. Hope you will have more useful information to adjust your diet properly, help you have a healthier liver as well as a better health. Before we begin, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications to help me share nutrition and health tips with more people. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and you should consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Leafy greens. Including leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens and arugula in your diet can be beneficial for your liver health. These greens are not only packed with vitamins and minerals but also contain antioxidants and compounds that help protect the liver from damage and improve its function. For example, spinach is rich in antioxidants like glutathione, which can help neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation in the liver. Kale is also a great choice as it's high in vitamin C and other nutrients that help support liver function. So make sure to include plenty of leafy greens in your diet to help keep your liver healthy and functioning optimally. Number 2 is garlic. Garlic is not only a delicious flavoring in many dishes but it's also beneficial for liver health. It contains compounds like allicin that can help activate liver enzymes responsible for breaking down toxins in the body. By doing so, garlic can help reduce the workload of the liver, allowing it to function more efficiently. Additionally, garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. So adding garlic to your meals is an easy way to support liver health and enjoy its many health benefits. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties can be beneficial for liver health as they can help reduce inflammation in the liver and protect it from damage. In addition, curcumin has been shown to help improve liver function and prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver. You can add turmeric to your meals or take it as a supplement to reap its many health benefits. Number 4 is fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines and tuna are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for liver health. They are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Omega-3 fatty acids can also help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver and lowers the risk of liver disease. In addition, fatty fish is a good source of vitamin D, which can also help improve liver function. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts are a delicious and healthy snack that can also be beneficial for liver health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts and pistachios are particularly rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. The antioxidants in nuts can help protect liver cells from damage and reduce the risk of liver disease. In addition, the healthy fats in nuts such as omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. One of the key components of green tea is catechins, which are potent antioxidants that have been shown to help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. These antioxidants can also improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Drinking green tea regularly may also be helpful for weight management, which is important for liver health as obesity is a risk factor for liver disease. Consuming 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day can be a simple and effective way to support your liver health and overall well-being. Number 7 is olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including supporting liver health. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. In addition to reducing inflammation, olive oil can also help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, which is a risk factor for liver disease. Incorporating olive oil into your diet by using it for cooking, salad dressings or as a dip for bread can be a simple and tasty way to support your liver health. However, it's important to remember that olive oil is high in calories, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Number 8 is beetroot. Beetroot is a nutritious root vegetable that has gained popularity in recent years due to its health benefits. It contains compounds called betalains which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds can help improve liver function and reduce liver fat, which is important for maintaining liver health. Beetroot is also high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. Incorporating beetroot into your diet can be as simple as adding it to salads or smoothies or roasting it as a side dish. By doing so, you can provide your liver with the nutrients it needs to function optimally and maintain your overall health. Number 9, grapefruit. Grapefruit is a citrus fruit that is known for its tangy and refreshing flavor. It is also a rich source of antioxidants and compounds that can help improve liver function and reduce liver fat. One of the key compounds found in grapefruit is naringenin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Grapefruit is also high in vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for supporting the immune system and protecting the liver from damage. We hope that the information shared in this video helps you in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy food inspiration and tips.